Welcome back to my channel Incognito Official. In today's video, we will see how to disable Incognito Mode in the Chrome browser for free on Windows. Now, do you want to stop anyone from using Chrome's Incognito Mode? Whether you are a parent, teacher, or system administrator, this simple trick works perfectly. Right now, if I open the Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner, you can see that a new Incognito Window option is available. Anyone can click on it and start browsing privately. Incognito Mode basically allows users to browse without saving history, cookies, or form data. While this is useful for privacy, sometimes you may want to disable it for control or monitoring purposes. So let's see how to do that step by step. First, click on Windows Search and type Registry Editor. Then click on it and select Yes to allow administrator permission. Now the registry editor will open. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to close Google Chrome completely to ensure the changes apply properly. Now from the left-hand side, expand After that, expand Software. Then find and expand Policies. Now here you need to create a new key. So right-click on Policies, go to New, and select Key. Rename this key as Google. Make sure you type the name correctly because even a small mistake can prevent the setting from working. Now right-click on the Google key, again go to New, and select Key. This time rename it as Chrome. Once you have created both keys, select the Chrome key. Now on the right-hand side, right-click on the empty space, go to New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Now rename this value as Incognito Mode Availability. Make sure the spelling is exactly correct, with proper capitalization. After that, double-click on it. Now change the value data from 0 to 1. Also make sure the base is selected as decimal. Then click on OK. Now what this setting does is it tells Chrome to disable Incognito Mode completely. Once done, close the registry editor. Even if someone tries to use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+N, it will not open Incognito Mode. So with just a few simple steps, you can easily disable or enable Incognito Mode in Chrome anytime. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Incognito Official.